Nahihirapan ka bang mag-manifest kahit anong gawin mo? Yung mga tinuturo online, ng mga matutagang alam nila yung tinasabi nila, maybe you're doing it wrong. So, paano natin malalaman kung paano ba talaga yung tamang way for us to manifest? Let's talk about it. So, paano nga ba, Abu? So, simple lang. Punta ka ng birth chart mo. Check mo kung ano yung planets sa 12th house mo o ano nasa yung 12th house mo. Because people na meron mga planets sa 12th house nila, they are very in tune. They're very they're very good in manifesting. Example na lang sa akin, I have a stellium in Libra in 12th house. So, andoon na whenever I do manifestations, it's easy for me because andoon that I am connected to my spirituality. Now, the 12th house is also about the energy of Pisces din kasi. So, it's about intuition, it's about secrets, it's about the spirituality. Now, hindi naman ibig sabihin na wala kang plan sa 12th house mo, hindi ka na makapag-manifest. Look at the sign where it is at. Then from there, use that energy para mas magkaroon ka ng grip doon sa manifestation. So, ano nga ba yung planets na meron ka sa 12th house mo? Or, kung wala man, anong sign meron siya? Comment down below. Thanks!